Today, we get to look inside an organ. Well, not that kind. We get to look inside a human heart. Let's go.
What do organs do? I mean, besides playing box toccata. They help with filtering, digestion, breathing, body control, blood circulation, and so much more. In general, the function of organs is to make sure you live. Take the heart, for example. The heart is an amazing machine. It is made of muscle and pumps blood to the lungs and then from the lungs throughout your whole body. This carries oxygen to your cells so your cells can grow and function properly.
This is an example of a human heart. Let's take a look inside. Here you have your 4 chambers. Your right atrium, your right ventricle, your left ventricle, and your left atrium. Blood enters the heart through the superior and inferior vena cava. It enters the right atrium and then to the right ventricle. After that, it goes through this valve here and follows the pulmonary artery all the way to the lungs where it gets oxygenated. As blood returns to the heart, it returns through these pulmonary veins and enters the left atrium and the left ventricle, after which it gets pumped through this valve up here, which leads to the aorta, which carries blood through the rest of the body.
The sound of a heartbeat is caused by valves opening and closing as blood rushes through the different chambers of the heart and to and from the lungs. A baby's heartbeat is first heard about 6 weeks into pregnancy. As the heart develops, the beat changes somewhat, but the process is the same. The we hear through the stethoscope is still the sound of valves opening and closing as blood gets pumped. With a partner or on a piece of paper, label the steps 1 through 10, how blood passes through the 4 chambers of the heart. How did you do? Now you know that hearts aren't just for Valentine's Day.